The Alliance for Children's Rights represents youth in Los Angeles who are in the foster care system or who have recently left the foster care system to make sure that they get all the supports and services, access to health care, education, and the transitional supports that they need as they're leaving the foster care system. We're here to try to get the legislature to restore the $80 million in child welfare cuts that the governor made as part of his line item vetoes last year, which has resulted in a loss of $133 million to child welfare budget overall because of the loss of federal funds. It impacts youth at all stages. It impacts youth in terms of safety for youth who are at risk of coming into the system because it delays investigations of neglect and abuse. For kids that are in the system, they don't get the supports and the services that they need to make them thrive while they're in care. And for those youth that are leaving the system, it's deprived them of independent living program supports, transitional housing program supports, emancipated youth stipends, which are just really basic grants that'll help them get a bus pass or pay first and last month's rent so that they have a place to live. These are our children, and this money supports our children. They're our responsibility. We took them into the system and we're obligated to support them, and cutting the money from the budget is exactly contrary to that. It puts them at risk, it puts their future at risk, and it puts our future at risk.